What have you done to your dog? Go get it, Rudy. Go get it. Go get the treat. Get the treat. So this is your way.
No. Now go get another piece. He needs to know he can eat it. He needs to know he can eat it.
Now I have to take that tape off. Yeah, that's so
What was it, Rudy? Well,
that's the only way I got it in.
Well, I did 2 pokies in. There it is.
See, all it does is fall off now.
Squeeze it.
Mom, we're not throwing this away.
All right.
go get it, Rudy.
All right, like, make it work now.
Rudy, go get it. Go get it. Go get it.
Stop moving your head.
So,
See, now all we'll do is fall off, Mom. Rudy, stop moving your head.
what is that? So the idea is Rudy's going to pull you? Is that the idea?
Yeah.
So you put that in front of him so he'll keep moving?
Rudy, go get Mommy.
Go get mommy? Don't you mean don't go get the meat?
Go. Oh, no, Rudy. Rudy. See, Mom? He broke it now.
All right, here, I'll help you. Well, this is fine.
Don't take a picture of me.
Here, this is better because it's closer. And squeeze it. Now I need one of those things, right?
It will work.
Well, it'll work for a second. Get your reins ready. And why are you on the carpet? Should we be on the... Oh, wait.
Go get it, Rudy. Go get it. Get it.
Alright, are you ready?
Why did you have to give him it? Now we have to do it. Oh,
Already.
I bet it's gonna fall off. See? We just ate it.
You gotta make it better something.
Well, it's a good idea, Abby.
It's a good idea.
I don't like pictures. I don't like people to see me.
Wow.
Here, I say do it this way. I say go like this. Yeah. Hold on.
Mom, it's scary. Stop, Dad. Stop. Dad, stop. Damn
think you could still stick stuff right here.
Yeah, but he'll eat it.
Go get it. Go get it. Go get it.
More boring.
Get it, Rudy.
Hey, come on.
Get it. Get it. Go get it. Go get it. He's going in circles.
Not funny.
What? What?
Stop, Dad! Stop! Stop, Dad! Stop, Dad! Not funny. This is boring now.
Get your treat. Get your treat. It's on me.
This is even more boring than I thought it would be.
Well, sorry. Rudy. You broke it into two spots.
Smart.
He's so smart.
Stop, Dad. I don't like this.